I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota 4Runner license plate light full guide. Start by gathering a flathead screwdriver, replacement bulb, and gloves. Work in a well-lit area and keep a small tray for screws and clips. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Follow steps slowly to avoid damaging paint or trim. I will walk you through removal, bulb change, and reassembly with tips to avoid common mistakes. Begin by opening the tailgate and locating the license plate light housing. Use a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape if worried about scratching the trim. Gently pry the lens away from the housing, working from one edge to the other to release clips evenly. Once free, set the lens aside and inspect the housing for corrosion or broken clips. This prevents surprises when reinstalling and makes sure the new bulb seats properly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for replacement parts enjoyable, with great battery life and readability while you follow repair steps. Check the video description for the product link and other deals to save time and money on parts. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully remove the old bulb by twisting or pulling, depending on the socket style. Handle the replacement bulb by its base and avoid touching glass with bare fingers to prevent hot spot failure. Insert the new bulb until it seats firmly and restore power to test illumination before putting the lens back. If the light does not work, check the fuse and socket contacts for corrosion. Reinstall the lens and ensure clips engage evenly for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.